Hello students. In the last class, we learned the two functions. One is a mathematical and trigonometric function, and second one is a statistical functions. So today we will learn the next function, that is text function. So in the previous class, the trigonometric and mathematical functions and statistical functions are based on the numbers, but this text function is based on the number along with the text. So here you can easily view in the first column there is a function name, and in the second column example is there. So here I have written one example, that is text, that is Guru Kiran. So text means which consisting of either text or either number. Here the first function is left. So example, how to write that one? So is equal to left. So if we want to click on opening bracket, here it shows its syntax. So first one is the text, and second one is the number of characters. So text, so I will take this one, Guru Kiran. So it is in the cell A3, comma, number of characters means how many characters you want to extract. So what happens if we use this function? So this function returns the leftmost characters from a text value. So this is the text, that is Guru Kiran, and if I want to extract the first four characters, so what are the first four characters from the left side? It is GURU. So if I return 4 and close the bracket, and when I press enter button, so the result will be Guru, and instead of 4 I will make it as 6. On that time, from the left side the sixth character it extract, that is GURUKI. See, now the second one is the right, RIGHT. Again same thing, text I have take this one, and comma I will write it as 5. Here what happens, it extracts the number of characters, that is 5 from the right side, and returns the 5 characters. It doesn't returns NARKI, it returns KIRAN. Or you can write in this well, so is equal to LEFT bracket, then you can write any text you can write. So I will write as Mahesh, MAHESH. Always text should be in double quotes, comma, number of characters. If I return 3, on the time from left side it extracts the 3 characters, that is MAH. So here two ways are there. First thing is that you can write the text anywhere in the cell, or in the double quotes also you can mention the text. Then enter MAH. For all these things same, either you can refer the text from the cell, or you can write the text in double quotes. Next one is MID. So here MID is used to return the specific number of characters from a text string starting at the position you specify. Means it doesn't return the middle characters. Here the syntax is text, then start num, then num characters. So text is A3, comma, starting number means from where I have to extract. If I want to extract UKI, U is the fourth character, that is the starting number. From there how many characters I have to extract? three characters. See, it returns UKI. Or if I want to extract RUKIR, on that time what you can do is that A3 and R is the third character. From there RUKIR means I want to extract five characters. See, so mid function is used to extract the characters which you specify the starting character. It doesn't extract the middle characters. Next one is len. This function is used to count the number of characters. Means it is used to find the length of the given text. So is equal to len, then text is this one, then close the double quotes. How many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 characters are there. Or if you want to specify any name on that time also you can write in this well. So len inside the bracket, then in double quotes you mention any name. So I will mention my name, Asha. So totally 6 characters. Next one is lower. This function is used to convert from upper characters to lower characters. LOWER inside the bracket. So I will take this text, then enter. Same way upper UPPER. It is used to convert the lower characters to upper characters. Here. Then proper. See here, this function is used to convert the first character in capital and remaining characters in small letters. See here, PROPER inside the bracket. So I will again use this one. Here what happens? It converts the first character, that is H in capital, remaining characters in lowercase. Or you can specify any name also, is equal to proper bracket. So I will write the name in small letters. Naman. Here what happens? N will be capital and remaining characters in lowercase. Next, concatenate. This function is used to combine more than one texts. You can combine any number of text. See here, CONCATENATE. Here, see here, you can easily view join several text string into one text string. What is string? String is a combination of characters. So I will take the first string, this name, comma, I will take the second string, this one, then close it. See here, first string is Guru Kiran and second one is Cycles here. Plus Guru Kiran today. Or one more example I will show here. Is equal to CONCATENATE concatenate bracket, first name you can write Ajay in double quotes, comma, second one Bharat, third one Manasi, fourth one Rekha. See here. When I press enter button on the time, it returns all the text one by one. See here. Ajay, Bharat, Manasi, Rekha, and in between each name, if I want one space on the time, before starting the B, put one space, then for M, then for R. Or at the end of this character also you can put one space. Now you can easily see one space after each name. Next thing is care. Here what happens? This function returns these characters specified by the code number. In a keyboard, we are using number of characters. Each character having its own serial number. So if we want the serial number of the particular alphabet on that time, you can use char. Char. Here it shows number. See, here normally capital A starts from 65. 66 means capital B. 67 means capital C. Same way it continues. So here I will write 65. So here it returns capital A. Instead of 165, I will use any one number. I will use 93. On that time you can view it is a which character. So it is a closing square bracket. If you mention any number, it is having a particular serial number. If we want to find out the serial number of the particular character on that time, you can use care. Exactly reverse of care is code, equal to code. Here you have to mention any one text. So I will use G. So if we want to identify the number of G, see, it is 103. Or if I want to identify this small a, so it is 97. Now the last one is rept. This function is used to repeat the text number of times. See here, rept bracket, I will use one name, that is Pinku, and I will use one space, then comma, how many number of times I want to repeat the text. I want to repeat it to 5 times. So if I press enter here, Pinko in 5 times. Or instead of name, if I want to display any one star mark 2 times, or star at the rate and symbol 5 times if I want. See, these are the sum function of text. So normally text function is used to identify the particular functions, and these text functions are based on the text itself. And for mathematical and for statistical function we will use the number, but for text function always we have to use text. So in the next class we will learn the next function.